Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to redirect a user when someone fill out a contact form in ClickFunnels. Here we can go and open one of the funnel. So this is just for the demo. I can edit this page. Now let me scroll down. Here you can see I have added a contact form. This one is submit button. Click here on settings. Then you need to go here, set the action, so you can directly redirect the user to the any website URL. After that you can open that link in the same window, then in the new window whatever you select. Okay, after that here you can see different options. On the top you need to select this one. Then after that let's go back, then settings, then general tab. So here you can add any of the link where you want to redirect your customer after the form submission. For example, I can copy this website link and then add the link here. Then after that click here save button. Now click here. We need to set the email field, this one. That's done. Then again click here save button. Then preview, scroll down, let me fill out this form. Then click here submit button. Here you can see form is redirecting to this website.